My name is Louis. I am a student of class 6. I live with my parents and my younger sister. My family loves me and I love them too. We eat together, play together, and help each other. I am a kind and friendly boy. I always try to speak politely and be helpful. I study at Green Valley Middle School. I go to school every day. I like my school very much. My favorite subjects are English and science. I enjoy reading stories and learning new things. Science is fun because I learn about plants, animals, and the world around me. Maths is a little hard for me, but I try my best to improve. I have many hobbies. I like reading books, drawing pictures, and watching cartoons. I also love to play cricket with my friends. We play in the evening and enjoy a lot. I also enjoy spending time in the garden and watching birds and butterflies. In school, I listen to my teachers carefully. I complete my homework every day. I try to be a good student. I help my classmates if they don't understand something. When someone is sad, I try to make them smile. I believe in kindness and honesty. Sometimes, I feel shy when I have to speak in front of the class. I also feel scared before exams. But I tell myself, don't be afraid. Just try your best. My parents and teachers always encourage me. They tell me that it's okay to make mistakes, but never stop trying. I love my parents very much. My father works in an office and my mother takes care of the house. They teach me good manners and guide me in everything. I also have a younger sister. We play and study together. When I grow up, I want to become a doctor. I want to help sick people and make them feel better. I also want to help poor people who cannot pay for medicine. I want to work hard and make my dreams come true. I believe in working hard and being honest. I believe that good things happen when we try our best. I want to be a good person and make my family proud. I want to learn more and become better every day. This is who I am. I am Louis, a student of class 6. I am proud of myself and I am happy to be me.